Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, the second in our 2004 series of holiday treats. And again, yeah, we're adding the firewater, a little bit of booze. So, today we are making Drunken Heath English Toffee Rice Krispie treats. Let's get it going. First of all, 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Gonna get that thing lubed. Next, in a heat-safe bowl, and this works because I used it before, is going 12 ounces of Rice Krispies. With those Rice Krispies go a half a cup of these Heath Bits. You can get them Walmart, Amazon, grocery store, damn near anywhere. So sprinkle those in, and a quarter cup of mini chocolate chips. We're going to give that a quick mix, get it as homogeneous as we can, and then set that aside. Behind me at the stove, I have 5 tablespoons of butter. We're going to get that going on medium heat. And then we'll move over to the stove and get the next step done. See you there. All right, as soon as the butter is melted, I'm going to add either a 16-ounce package of mini marshmallows or 1.5 10-ounce packages. I don't know why I got 10 ounce when I wrote the recipe for a 16-ounce package.
Oh no! We suck again!
And then I'm going to add a quarter cup of this incredible stuff, Bailey's Salted Caramel Liqueur. Oh yes.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
We're going to continue to stir that until we have a good gooey mixture, which takes about 5 minutes. You want to continuously stir it. As soon as you have that good gooey consistency, you're going to pour it on top of your Rice Krispies, Heath Toffee, and chocolate chip mixture that we just made. We'll see you when it's time to do that. All right, our marshmallows have just hit the consistency I want, so now they go on top of your Rice Krispie English Toffee chocolate chip mix, and we get it all mixed together. Now, just like last episode when we made the Bailey's S'mores Rice Krispie treats, hey, some of your mini chocolate chips are going to melt a little bit at this point. And if you're really desiring the texture of an uncooked mini chocolate chip in your Rice Krispie treats, then you can go ahead and add some more at this point.
You're damned right.
But I think we're going to have plenty of chocolate in here after we do the next step. Make sure you're digging all the way down to the bottom of the container, especially since we have those little Heath Bits in there. And last week we had graham cracker crumbs in there, so they will settle at the bottom if you don't scoop. Now, we're going to take half of this mixture, get it into our pan, press it out, just half. Then we'll move on to the next step. We'll see you when we're ready to do that. All right, now it's time to put together the middle layer, the ganache.
Are you serious?
So here I have 8 ounces of chocolate chips. I'm going to put these in a heat-proof bowl. Then I have a half a cup of heavy cream. To that, I'm going to add a half a cup of more of this incredible Bailey's Salted Caramel. In a saucepan, we're going to heat this up just to a simmer, and then we're going to pour it on top of our chocolate chips. We're going to let that set for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to mix the ganache up. Now, as always, loyal viewers, down in the description section are all the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions, plus a troubleshooting step in case that your chocolate chips don't melt for some reason. You should not buy heat-resistant chocolate chips, and if you're going to melt them. Okay?
He's not wrong.
So, we're going to get those steps done, and then we'll come back to finish up this incredible, incredible treat, which is great for the holidays. See you then. All right, my heated heavy cream and Bailey's have been sitting on the chocolate chips for 5 minutes. Now we're going to mix this up until we have a good even consistency with no lumps. Now, I don't think I mentioned it when I was doing it, but when you do heat this up, do not let it go to a boil. You just want a good simmer. Make sure it's good and hot and able to melt these chocolate chips. And there we go. It's looking gorgeous and it's smelling amazing. So now we're going to de-rizzle that on top of our first layer of Rice Krispie treats.
For shizzle dizzle.
Good bowl for the licking. And then we're going to spread that out evenly. Now we're going in with a 1/4 cup of English toffee bits. Just sprinkle that evenly over your ganache. There you go. Now the rest of your Rice Krispie treats, I'm going to put that on there, get this all spread out, get these set up, and then we'll get some judgment from Charlotte. We'll see you then. All right, our Rice Krispie treats are pretty much set up. I need to throw them in the fridge for a little bit, but we still can get a test. And here we go. Judgment by Charlotte. All right. So the key this time is, can you taste the Heath bits in there? And how is that salted caramel Bailey's with that ganache?
It's good. Mm-hmm. I taste more of the salted caramel than I do the Heath.
Yeah.
But you can taste the Heath. There's lots of yummy chocolate in it. So yeah, they're good.
All right, there you go. If you want more Heath, you can add more than what I said. Actually, the more solid you get in there, probably the more solid these will be, more consistency. But yeah, another hit. So give this a try. Great snack for the holidays. Hey, hit that subscribe button and become a sunscriber. Hit the like button and just make me happy.
Do it.
Leave us a comment and it makes me work and then I have to reply to it, and I will. So yeah, hey, thank you so much for joining us. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.